not us booking a flight to leave Colombia as we're going to Colombia. Good afternoon from Colombia, where the scariest thing we've done so far or have experienced is the cable car. I'm just waiting for one of the cables to break.
Over there, really scary. That's why I'm looking this way.
So the cable cars, this is the top that it brings you to, which is a really nice forested area. You got some like vendors and stuff like that, and some snacks and food, but it's very pretty up here. It's like a park.
Come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, so come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh.
Good morning, everyone. This is our third full day here in Medellin, Colombia. Yesterday we went and we did a walking tour of Comuna 13. I'll go ahead and roll that B-roll right now. Cue the B-roll.
The morning light, oh, I just wanna be your Superman. Come fly with me, just take my hand. And now that we are cruising in mid-flight, you better watch out for